Hello students, I'm Joycey, teacher. Today I will show you how to make an introduction card like this one. You will need one paper, scissors, glue, white paper, markers, picture or drawing. I like yellow. Yellow is my favorite color because it's happy and bright. Fold in half with a pencil. Draw lines where you will cut. Cut 2 times. 1, 2. Now open, push. With a white paper, write 6 sentences about you. I will use a green marker because I like trees and plants. Green is happy color. Green, green, green. My name is Joycey. I am from the United States of America. My favorite BTS member is RM. Kim Nam Jun. I love to go to the beach. I like to take pictures of flowers. My favorite subject is English. Next, I am going to decorate this paper. Decorate. What should I do? I will use my markers. Purple for BTS. Purple hearts for BTS. 1, 2, purple hearts. I love to go to the beach. I will use blue for water, light brown for sand. Does that look like a beach? Yellow for the sun, orange. I love to go to the beach. I like to take pictures of flowers. I will use black for the camera. Pink for flowers. Yellow, light green, my favorite subject is English. Blue. I will draw a book. Orange, red, yellow, blue. Finally done. Let's see what else. More flowers. Do orange flower. Draw sun. Here it is, all finished. My name is Joycey. I am from the United States of America. My favorite BTS member is RM, Kim Namjoon. I love to go to the beach. I like to take pictures of flowers. My favorite subject is English. We will glue the picture here. If you don't want picture, then you can draw yourself. Picture drawing. I will use the picture. Now, I'm going to put picture right here. Glue. Put the glue in the back of the picture. Last, I am going to put this paper Here, use a glue again. All done. My name is Joycey. I am from the United States of America. My favorite BTS member is RM. I love to go to the beach. I like to take pictures of flowers. My favorite subject is English. You are done. Good job today. Goodbye.